Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how I made over 10 grand in last few days, and I'm also gonna show you what system I'm using and how you can copy me. Okay, so let me show you guys the results that I'm getting from affiliate marketing. Okay, so I do high ticket affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, where I get paid $800, $1,000, $1,200, $2,000. So I'm mainly into high ticket affiliate marketing, and as you can see here, this payment I got this payment $1,600, and this is for high ticket affiliate marketing program that I work on. And then I got another payment of $800. Okay, and if I show you here, I got another payment of $800, and this was on Wise, so it's a payment method. So I got $800. Okay, and then I got a $2,000 commission. Okay, for the affiliate product, and then I got $1,860 as the affiliate commission. Okay, and then I got $1,200 here and $2,000 here and $300 here. So that's total about $3,500 in commission. Okay, and then I got another $800 commission. So like if we calculate this all commission here, 1,600 plus 800 plus 800 plus 2,000 plus 1,800 plus 3,500 plus 800, that be like $11,360. So this is the commission, this is the income that I have made in last few days from high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm working on and how you can get on the system. Okay, so basically guys, I'm working on several affiliate marketing programs. Okay, I work on 4 to 5 affiliate marketing programs, but in this video I'm going to talk about 2 programs. Okay, that is very well doing for me at the moment. So the first program that I'm working on is called Digital Wealth Pro. As you can see here, it's called Digital Wealth Pro. So it's an high ticket program where they have call center and where they close your sales. Okay, and the commission payout is $200, $400 and $800. So this is a one program that I'm working on. Okay, like you can see, this is me. Okay, so this is one of several programs that I'm working on currently. And then the second program that I'm working on is called Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, this is another program that I'm working on, and it's also high ticket affiliate program. Okay, which pays you big commission. So now I'm going to show you how you can make at least $2,000 per commission. Okay, so for that, for the sake of this video, we're going to use this program, Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, so now guys, this system, okay, if we click on product package here, you can see that there are several labels. Okay, like beginner package, it costs $50 one-time fee and $25 annual membership fee. Okay, and then you get paid 30% commission. But what I did, I directly went to the mastery package and I joined this mastery package. So it's $2,000 one-time fee. Okay, and then $399 annual membership fee. Okay, and then it pays you 100% affiliate commission. So if you want to know what you get under each section, okay, so you can simply click on core products and you will be able to see what you get under each label. Okay, like under the beginner package you get these things. Okay, if I scroll down at the bottom, we can see, let me scroll down. Yeah, you can see these are the products that you get under the mastery package. Okay, so now if we talk about the compensation plan, so like if I click on compensation plan here, okay, so yeah, as you can see on the mastery level you get 100% commission. Okay, so like if you get one sale, you would be able to make $2,000 for that one single sale. Okay guys, now one really cool thing about this system is that payout is instant. Okay, you can get paid through Stripe, Cash App, Gel, Venmo, depends on what payment method you had. So I observed there are few programs, okay, like where you have to wait for 14 days or 30 days to get the payout, right? But in this system, you get paid right away, okay? And this is also available with the Digital Wealth Pro, okay? In this program as well, you get paid right away. But since we are talking about Genesis Lifestyle Network in this video, so yeah, once you have made your account, you can simply add your Cash App, Venmo, and that's how you're gonna get paid your commission. So what I will say, guys, if you wanna make this big commission like $2,000, okay, then follow this easy two step. Okay, the first step is create account and upgrade your account to mastery package. Okay, and the step two is message me on Facebook and I'll provide you these two bonus. Okay, the number one bonus is free 300 clicks. I'll be buying clicks for your affiliate link. Okay, and then I'll give you free one-on-one Zoom session. Okay, how to set traffic and how to get everything going. So if you really want to make this big commission, if you want to make more than $10,000 a month, okay, high ticket affiliate marketing is the way to go. Okay, so what I'll do, I will put the link of this Genesis Lifestyle Network. Go ahead, create your account and follow these two steps, and I will see you inside making this big commission like me.